Up next on Sci-Fi Fantasy, Colonial Raptor Armament aftermarket set. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiFantasy.com and welcome to another video unboxing. And let's talk a little bit about SciFiFantasy.com before I get onto this. Actually, we've gone and brought all of the sites underneath HobbyLinkInternational.com. So if you go there, you'll see the menu. You can click on the button that says Sites, and you can flip to all of our sites a lot easier than it was before. But I'm going to make some videos on that. So next up, another change we're doing with the videos, if you didn't watch to the end of the last unboxing video, is I'm no longer going to put a slideshow at the end of the pieces. I'm also doing written reviews or written unboxing articles on the pieces that we're getting from Greenstrawberry. So there will be a link in the description below to that article. This way you can see the pictures that I take myself, plus the pieces in use that are from Greenstrawberry. You'll see them both there at the same time, and you don't have to pause a video to see the pictures if you want to check them out slower than on a video. And if you haven't, like I say all the time, if you haven't checked out Greenstrawberry yet, please go to greenstrawberry.cz, check out all their PE, and they also have some kits. And we also have a build coming up from one of their figures. Mark Dunmore is going to be doing him up, and once we get that out, I will let you know. So enough rambling out of me, let's get over to the bench and check out the pieces. As usual, we'll start off with, everybody knows it comes in the cellophane with a little tear off back or pull open tab that you can reclose, hard cardboard backing, and the pieces inside. So let's open this guy up and see what we got in here. And it's the usual instruction sheet from Greenstrawberry. It shows you what's in the package, you have your key, and then it goes into what you're going to be doing. Like this is 3 times you're going to build this guy, and how you fold it over, and where they all go. And then it goes into more detail of what you're using the pieces for, like wrapping around the, it looks like the engine there. Also for the guns, missiles, struts, more guns, wiring down the side of the wing, and then like an ammunition belt. It kind of looks like going from here to the main guns. So let's check out the pieces. Well, the sheet's nice and shiny, but it's got a whole bunch of parts on here. And actually, like I said, there'll be more pictures of this on the site itself. This way you can take a better look at it. But this is just chock full of a whole bunch of stuff. This is those ammunition belts that I was talking about. These are going to be really delicate to bend into the proper shape. And then you have the flooring, walls here. I'm not sure what these guys are. These are for the missiles over here. You got a bunch of little delicate pieces over here. I'm not really familiar with this kit. I have all the PE. I just never bought the kit because I wasn't that interested in how this kit looked. But with everything I have now, I'm definitely going to buy it. And actually, I may talk to somebody and see if they want to build it for a publication. But what else is on here? There's some like instruments on here. That's more of the flooring, wiring on the back of the flooring. So there's a lot of detail parts in here. You can see, if you can see in here, you'll see it in the pictures, there's little rivets in here. So you'll be able to throw a wash in there and bring out that detail. So let's look at the second set of photo etch. Hey, I know it's hard to see with the glare, another shiny piece, but up here is the wiring that I was showing you in the directions to go down the wings into the gun. These are for the back of the missile, if I remember correctly, and then you have some stuff for the struts, the bands that go over the engine pieces, it looked like. A couple more, I think these are the interior pieces, but again, finely detailed. You got some small stuff. Again, you have to be careful cutting this out so it doesn't go flying on you. This set is actually, I wouldn't say this is a beginner set because there will be a lot of folding with this. So if you're new to PE, I wouldn't suggest to get this set first. I would get something smaller. This way you can learn on it before you spend the money on something like this and ruin something and you got to buy another set. So always start out with something small so you can learn, because this is really a highly detailed set. You're going to be doing a lot of bending and adding on to the ship itself. So that's it for this unboxing of the Greenstrawberry Colonial Raptor Armament set. As always, I'd like to thank Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending the products over. This way we can check them out and you can check them out too. If you want this product or you're interested in anything on Greenstrawberry, please check the link below for the article. I'll have the price in there, a direct link to the product, and a link to Greenstrawberry itself. And as I was saying at the end of the video, this is a highly detailed set, and I wouldn't say this is for beginners. There is a lot of bending to it. So, as always, if you have any questions or comments, please throw them in the comments section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I hope you all have a great day. Take care. And bye-bye.